What I can say is that the blissful moment of the day is to be able to have your microphone with you. It's quite a dark day today. Recently I have passed by this wonderful corridor, this street, as you are walking through, and it's beautiful. This kind of cherry trees with double flowers. They're in blossom only in April or May. Well, actually it depends on the year, how warm the spring is. Well, but imagine that you are living here and you are watching this from your windows. And generally, I find that walking gives us many blissful moments. And I also want to show you the camellias. Here they are. I'm allowing myself to take one of the flowers. They remind of roses, but they don't have any smell. But we value them not for smell, but for their beauty, which starts in February. Top, practically a roof. This is it. It's Palm Sunday. We are moving upwards. Sometimes when you come a week later, the time has passed already and it's not the same picture anymore. I have always loved vegetation in France, and I think after 7 years of staying here I love it still, because in France vegetation to a great extent resembles that of my country. It's not something totally alien, but at the same time it is much more colorful because the seasons are warmer and the climate is milder.